fait, chaque image est décomposée sur sa texture. On voit au niveau de
et la matrice infrarouge, elle est bien en dessous du LED.
Oui.
Et en dessous du prisme de rétroéclairage, a priori.
Oui.
C'est du LED edge lighting, ça, je suppose.
Oui.
D'accord.
C'est vrai que c'est une révolution.
C'est un tower defense.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so
Il n'y en a pas des masses, hein.
Ah, donc là, si jamais je veux repasser, je suis dans un... C'est fixé au plafond, et puis je dois repasser en...
Oui, on va passer en...
Je le ramène comme ça.
C'est l'équivalent de ce que fait Real D3D, c'est ça à peu près, où il y a une différence
like this
fondamentale.
one, this is just like a lady passed by yesterday. This one take about
Yeah.
It happens a lot, you know, it's a similar experience.
So, okay. Let me just take a note. So, la caméra, time of flight, est capable d'enregistrer des mouvements très proches jusqu'à 15 cm. Just taking notes.
Basically, you take the control by doing a circle gesture, and you have that pointer on the screen. It's like pointer-based. You can access menus on the right, so standard playback controls.
Yeah, the feedback is interesting.
And volume control. So you can also select.
I'm still gonna play that on Friday.
Oh, I have to buy that now.
Smart Interaction is going to be available on the 7500 and 8000 LED TV, and also as well as the 8000 plasma. Right now we're actually looking at the 8000 LED. So Smart Interaction consists of three parts: voice control, motion control, and face recognition. We're going to go ahead and start with voice control. Once I say the trigger word, which you can also customize to something else, there's going to be an actual command bar that's going to pop up on the bottom of the screen. It will stay there for 30 seconds unless I give it another command. If at one point I lower my voice in a whisper, it's just to let you folks know something so the TV doesn't continue to listen for more commands. So I'm going to go ahead and start by saying, "Hi TV, channel up, channel number, channel 5, cancel, volume up, more." You see that there are other icon words that I can, command words that I can see as well. So we're going to go and say Smart Hub. You see the hand at the bottom? It's telling me it's time for me to use my hand gesture. So I'm just going to put my hands up and move it from side to side so the camera can detect my hand. The camera's right there in the middle. The Hub was actually introduced in 2011. You see the menu at the bottom where it says run, back, and scroll? It tells me what else I can do with my hands. Let's go ahead. Oh, and maybe someone has their hand. Okay, yeah. It's alright. It's only going to detect one palm, one hand at a time. It's looking for your palm. So I'm going to go ahead and run in the web browser. I'm going to put my hand out as I wait for the wireless Wi-Fi to come into this to this concrete building. So my page is going to load, and then my advertisement is going to load. So just to activate it again, all I'm going to do is put my hand up in the air and wave it side to side. So you have to be as close to click on. You can just click out as long as the gesture cursor is active. So let's go ahead and hit exit. Or you know what? Let's go ahead and zoom. I can show you one more feature. So let's go ahead and zoom. Let's zoom into, let's try 150%. Someone hand me? Let's go ahead and try again. It actually made your hand look like, well, that's okay. So I'm going to put it down. I'm going to put it back up, just activate. Return. We'll exit out of here. Now we're going to look for face recognition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands up, and I'm actually going to look for the login. And I'm going to close my hands to activate. I'm going to put my hand down. What's happening right now is the camera's being turned on. It's going to try to do face recognition. So it's going to probably scan the picture of a few people, see if any one of us have already registered our face as our username and password. You can still use the old-fashioned way of having a screen name and password. See, we're all new users. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hand back up. Let's go ahead and hit ID for Smart Hub, so you can customize your settings, and that way when I log in, it's my Facebook, my Netflix, and when someone else logs in, it's their own Facebook and Netflix. Let's go ahead and hit return. I'm going to keep my hand up because I want to change the volume. I can click and hold. I'm going to lower it just so the cameras can hear me. I'm going to go ahead and change the volume one at a time, or click and hold. Now, because in the United States about 90% of all TVs use some type of a set-top box, that's why we're going to be including this wireless IR blaster. That way I was able to change the channel with the set-top box, and it'll work with my Blu-ray player in my home theater. The TV will support up to 23 different languages, including 3 English, US, UK, and Australian. It's not going to memorize or detect one particular voice or one palm. It's just looking for a voice, and it's looking for the palm of your hand. So it will not customize. Do keep in mind that these are features you can turn on or off. You do not have to have them both active at the same time. Well, let's just give an example of how you would use them. So let's say that I lost my remote. I'm on the phone, so I can't talk to the TV, so I'll use my hand for motion control. Or another example, I'm already tucked into TV. TV power off. And there's other features. Cancel. Hide TV. Like I said earlier, as long as if you can turn your TV off, you can turn it on as well. Let's just say, for example, you rename your trigger word. Like I'll name my TV Max. So what I'll do is I can just walk into the house. I've got groceries in my hand. Can't find the remote. I just say, "Hi, Max," and the TV will turn on. Any questions?
Like like this one. This is just like a lady passed by yesterday. This one take about